Hello, today we are going to do the practice set for lesson 37, which is, got to look at it, telling mixed numbers, fractions on a number line. And so Mrs. Daw has pulled up our book and we're going to do the practice together. You have your own math journal, so please write these in. But I am going to be using our book and just annotating it. Don't do this in your book, okay? But this is computer, so we're okay. For this practice, they want us to name each fraction or mixed number marked by the arrows below. And so we have to look at where A is. And I'm going to zoom in so that we can see this a little better. And I'm going to move it over here. Okay, so you can see this. And where we're at, let's see, we know that this is, here's 1, so we know that this is less than 1, and so we need to find out how many parts are in, it's cut up. So I'm looking 1, 2, let's see, here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that tells me that my denominator is going to be 4, and then I'll count the top 1, 2, let's see, 1, 2, 3, hang on guys. We got to go up really, really, really close. So here we go. I'm looking at the paper. You do too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is 3 parts. We need to zoom in this way more for poor Mrs. Daw. Our next one is B, and we see that 2 is our whole, this is going to be just 3/4 because there is not a whole number that we're adding to it, okay? Here we see that 2 is our closest whole number, so we start off with 2, and then we got to find out what the fraction is. So we know that these are cut into fourths, so we need to find out how many fourths there are. And it looks like there is just 1, so it's 2 and 1/4. Now on C, here's 1. We've got to figure out how many parts this is broken up into. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once more, this is cut into fourths. So we have our whole number, which is right here, which is 1. And then we have 1/4 for C. And D, they're 0 to 1, and it's cut up into 2 parts. It's 1 of 2 parts, so that's half. E, 2, and then there's 3. We know that this is going to be 2 and 1/2 right here. Okay, now they want us to copy and locate 25 and 3/4, 26 and a half, and 27 and 1/4 on a number line. So 25 and 3/4, I need to count. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. This is going to be 25 and 3/4 right here. 26 and 1/2. Here we go, 26, and we know that it is. Let's see if we have half of 4 parts is going to be is going to be 2 parts in. So here is our halfway point between 26 and 27. So that is right there. Then we take 27 and we see that it is 1/4, and I'm assuming that this is 1/4 because everything's been broken up into 4 pieces in the past. And there you have it, the practice set for lesson 37, and I wish you well on the homework.